spilled in my boot. Hey guys, welcome back to another Winter Day adventure. Today we're in St. Paul, Minnesota at Keg and Case Market. It's located on the site of the historic Schmidt Brewing Company. There's a bunch of local shops and local restaurants, so we're gonna go check it out. Come on. My glass is fogged up. Okay, at this mushroom place, you can legit just buy a log to grow your own mushrooms at home. I kind of want one. So first up, we have 5-watt coffee. It's adorable, and the one I got is called the Saints, which the barista said is their signature coffee. So it's raspberry, white chocolate, Jamaican bitters. I don't know what that is, but it's delicious. And espresso. And then it comes with this thing. This is the House of Halva white chocolate raspberry. So this right here is actually a sample from another little shop that's like across from the 5-watt coffee of their vegan dessert bar stuff. And it's a little like crystally, and it's kind of like a cookie, but like a crystally cookie. It's pretty good. I like it. Just a picture of what it used to look like. There's a butterbeer cotton candy. Thank you. Okay, so we got our cotton candy from Spinning Wylde. You can find them on Instagram at Spinning Wylde. And I got violet flavor, and you got?
Yeah, butterbeer.
It really tastes like violet. You can really taste it. It does taste like butterbeer. That's crazy. Okay, try it back. It tastes like delicious perfume. It's super good. Definitely try out this cotton candy. They have tons of different flavors that you can get.
Since they're in Minnesota, they also have one called Purple Rain, which is a tart grape and Pop Rocks. That sounds fun.
Hairy.
Is there something in my mouth?
Look at how old man winter.
Go.
So we just picked
You want
it.
to? Oh,
But it's so good.
direction you want to go. Isn't that delicious?
That's so
Oh my
interesting.
God.
Sriracha mango.
There's white truffle. There's Meyer lemon. There's a couple of really strong ones over here. Chardonnay and a Cabernet roasted garlic marinade.
It's good, right?
I also want to try this one again because it's good.
Okay.
Did you try it?
It's like sriracha flavor?
It's kind of like a barbecue sauce. brisket.
Beef brisket sandwich.
Huge beef brisket.
With slaw on the side.
Very smoky.
That's awesome. And the slaw has like a little hint of some sort of spice in it. So it's not like boring Minnesota coleslaw. It's like got some flavor to it. It just like falls apart.
Oh, it's really good.
It's ice cream science because they're free of stabilizers, artificial flavors, colors, or gums.
At Sweet Science, we got the peanut butter crumble. It is like a cookie. It tastes like a peanut butter cookie inside of ice cream that's kind of peanut butter flavored.
The bottom part of the like bench right there is from the old barrels that they used to use in the Schmidt Brewing Company to brew all their beer. Then they turned it into like a bench that you can just sit on.
What is this, butterscotch root beer?
Butterscotch root beer, and I got a straight 8.
That is very butterscotch.
If you come up to the brewery on the top floor of Keg and Case, try to get the like nice couches that you can sit on. They're very comfortable.
It's like root beer with butterscotch. It's very smooth and not sugary.
Yeah, it's like very lightly carbonated too, like not like overly like soda pop-ish. Straight 8 with citrus, pineapple, mango, and stone fruit.
Cool chocolates.
I know, I'm just like, so dainty and small. You want to go home?
No.
I'm tired. My foot hurts. That's a good day. So that was Keg and Case Market. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Check out Instagram and like that too.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.